If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 429, too many requests, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This usually happens when your browser gets stuck, your cookies or cache go bad, your DNS cache needs refreshing, a third-party app is sending too many requests, or you've simply hit a temporary rate limit. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without losing your account or doing anything complicated. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now let's get into it. First, try a forced refresh on the web page. This is one of the easiest things you can do, and it often clears up a temporary browser glitch right away. If you're on Windows, go to your open x.com or Twitter tab and press Ctrl plus F5. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. What this does is tell your browser to ignore the local cached version of the page and load everything fresh from the server. Sometimes the browser gets stuck sending repeated bad requests, and a forced refresh is enough to break that loop. After you do that, wait a moment and see if the page loads normally. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the cookies and cache specifically for x.com or twitter.com. A lot of times, false 429 errors happen because your saved session data is corrupted, outdated, or too bloated for the browser to handle properly. To do this, look at the address bar and click the padlock icon or the tune icon directly to the left of the website address. Then open Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data. From there, choose Manage Cookies and Site Data or Clear Data, depending on your browser. Find the entry for x.com or twitter.com, click the delete icon next to it, and confirm by clicking Done. Once that's finished, reload the page and log back into your account. This step removes the old site data and gives you a clean session, which often fixes the issue immediately. Now, let's move on to another very effective fix. Flush your PC's DNS cache. DNS is basically the system that helps your computer find the right server for the website. And if it's holding on to outdated information, it can interfere with how Twitter or X connects. On Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Close the window, then go back to your browser and try again. This simple step can help if your computer is using stale connection data that's contributing to the error. Another thing to check is whether third-party apps are connected to your Twitter or X account. If you've used automation tools, analytics apps, browser extensions, or any outside services that access your account, they may be making requests in the background and triggering the rate limit. To check this, go to Settings and Privacy in your X account, then open Security and Account Access and click Apps and Sessions. Under Connected Apps, review everything that has access to your account. If you see anything you don't actively use, revoke its access. This can stop hidden background activity that may be causing the 429 error to keep coming back. If you've tried those fixes and you're still getting the message, the problem may simply be a temporary rate limit from X itself. In many cases, this is not a permanent issue. Twitter and X often use rolling 15-minute intervals for request limits, so if you've refreshed too often, opened too many pages, or triggered too many actions in a short time, the safest move is to wait it out. Close the tab completely, do not keep refreshing, and give it a full 15 minutes before trying again. That break gives the restriction time to reset automatically. So to recap, the main fixes are force refreshing the page, clearing cookies and cache for x.com or twitter.com, flushing your DNS cache, revoking unnecessary third-party app access, and waiting 15 minutes if you've hit the platform's rate limit. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem fast and get you back into your account. If this tutorial helped you fix the 429 error, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.